It's a 2019 Ford Fusion Hybrid. Bold, brilliant, and good-looking, it is built to take you farther for less. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, Ford Pass Connect Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, Ford Pass Connect remote engine start smart device, manual tilting steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Road and Track reports it's not just a good teacher, but a learner too. The hybrid learning your daily drive via GPS and Navi and teaching itself to maximize the use of pure electric power for those set courses. Ford, where tradition meets innovation. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.